Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hi, I'm Tati. Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys like what you see, and if you do and you want to be part of this beauty squad, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to as well turn on that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm going to be posting a new video. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out some of the e.l.f. products. I'm going to be trying out the Poreless Putty Primer. Finally, about time. I've been wanting to try out this primer for the longest, but it was out of stock every single time I wanted to purchase. I as well gonna be trying out the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation. Hopefully it works because it looks too dark for me, but hopefully I got the right color that everybody is talking about that is the best. Let's see if it's the best. I never tried it before. I had dry skin, if you didn't know, so I wanna find out if this foundation is gonna work for dry skin. I as well gonna be trying out the 16-hour Common Concealer. I got two shades because one I want for highlight and the other one I want for contour. And lastly, I as well gonna be trying out their Metallic Flare Highlighter. These products are not new, but they are new to me because I never tried them before, and this is my first time trying it out. So if you guys are interested in knowing my first impression review on this product, please continue to watch, and just let's begin with this applying out this product. So stay tuned. Let's begin. So this is how they look on the inside. I know that you guys have seen it because it's everywhere and it's people's favorite primer. I did a big deal. So I'm gonna apply it on my nose area because that's where my pores is at, and I'm gonna move it everywhere, but I'm concentrating it in the center of the nose. I love how the primer looks. It applies so smoothly. I love that how it blurs my pores. Just that this primer, I didn't know, or maybe it's because of the palette that has a lot of fallouts, but I got glitter in my cheek. Okay, it's not the primer, it's the eyeshadow. I didn't know that I had glitters on my hands, so I applied the glitter everywhere, but not as much. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply the foundation. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. You guys already know. I got it in the shade Caramel, but Caramel, looking at the glass, it kind of looks too dark for me, so I'm just gonna find out. I hope I got the correct color, because if not, this is gonna be something else. So I like the consistency. It's a thick consistency. It's not watery. Okay, I think I got the correct shape, but my goodness, I do not like the scent of this foundation. No. Oh my god, I don't like the scent. I hope the scent doesn't stay all day. It smells like I don't know, it smells weird. I cannot explain the smell, but it smells weird. I'm gonna blend this foundation using my Juvia's brush. This is the Juvia's Brown Buffer brush. This is a brush set from the blue color. I like applying the foundation with a brush because for me, it gives me a nice coverage that blending it with a sponge. This foundation dries out so quickly, so I had to work with one side at a time and then move on to the other side. But for now, it's giving me a matte finish. So this is a full coverage foundation because it hides the redness that I had it here on this side. So I'm gonna apply on the other side now. Now that my foundation is applied, this foundation give you a satin matte finish. It's not like truly matte. Gonna give you a little bit dewy, just a little bit, like a tiny bit dewy. In my opinion, it give you a medium to full coverage. It does give you a full coverage when you apply a second coat. I like the foundation so far. I love that it is a satin finish. It's not a full matte finish. Me, for myself, that I have dry skin, I like it for myself. I love that it gives me me a full coverage, and I also love that you can build it up. It doesn't get khaki when you build it up. Now I'm gonna move on to the concealer, the 16-hour Camo Concealer. I did not apply foundation under my eyes because that's where I'm gonna apply my concealer. I don't have like a extreme dark circle. So I wanna see if this foundation is gonna hide the dark circle. And the shade that I got it is in Tan Walnut. So I love the brush so far. The brush reminds me of the Tarte concealer. It holds a little bit product on the tip. This concealer looks way too light for my skin tone. Grabbing more products, but I didn't need to grab more products, but I'm just used to it that I forgot that I didn't need to grab more products. I take it on the bridge of my nose, on my chin. And to blend in the concealer, I'm gonna take the Japanese key brush. This concealer is too light, way too light for my skin. So like, what? So I grabbed another concealer, and this one is in Deep Cinnamon. I was gonna use this one to contour with because I like cream contouring, so that's why I grabbed a darker shade. But I'm just gonna grab this shade and apply it on top of this concealer because as you guys can see, this concealer is way too light. I'm gonna take the foundation brush and I'm just gonna blend it just on the edges, whatever. Just a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh. Okay, so blending in these two products together, this is how it looks. It looks way better than applying this by itself, but I like the concealer, y'all. Can you guys see that? It hides the dark circles. I'm gonna put a picture of the before I start applying the concealer and then the after. It really hides the dark circles so good. This concealer is the bomb. Perfection. And I love that it gives you a full coverage and you can build it up as you guys saw. The Deep Cinnamon, I'm gonna take it to contour. I don't think this is gonna work for contouring because it kind of looks like my skin color. I think I had to go back and get a darker shade, the one after that one, because this one doesn't look, yeah, that one doesn't work for me. I thought it was gonna work for me because it looks dark, but I had to go one shade darker. So I'm gonna go get my contour palette that I'm gonna be using, so I'll be right back. So let's move on with the concealer now. This one is in 24K. I'm gonna take the Sigma highlighter brush, and I love how beautiful this color is. It's a goldy, rosy color, so beautiful. It does look metallic and it feels really soft. Wow. Let me apply it. Let me apply it. Love this concealer, this highlight. I'm gonna take another brush and I'm just gonna apply it on my brow bone. I'm applying on the inner side of my eyes. I always forget to apply highlighter right here. I love the concealer. I love how metallic it looks. I love that it gives you that wet look. It is so pigmented that a little bit goes a long way. Like, Look at this. Completing this look, I'm gonna go with the lips, taking the MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick, and then I'm gonna take the Anastasia liquid lipstick in sepia. So that is it, my love, for this review video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification bell so you guys can be notified when I'm gonna be posting a new video. Leave me all of your video requests that you guys have in the comment box below, and until my next one, I will see you guys in my next video.
I'm the highest in the room.